Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with a quick video for my dolls who are just starting out with makeup. This is the perfect beat for you guys. If you want to see how I did this look, carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe guys, and I will catch you in my next video. So let's get started. We are going to start with the face, and I'm excited to start with the face because I get to use my new Fenty foundation that I picked up the other day. This foundation, you are not allowed to use samples anymore when you go retail stores. I went to Boots to pick this up in London, and you're not allowed to use any of the samples or anything like that, so I basically winged it. I got this shade. This is number 235, and I don't know, I just winged it, but I used it in my last video. It was a bit light when I first put it on, but it just marinated in and it was fine after that. I'm going to start with my primer oil, my Pro Base primer oil from Makeup Academy. So I'm going to pop some of that on first. And then I'm going to go in with my Illuminator. It's a Girls with Attitude Illuminator, and I picked it up from Savers. I've never heard of this brand before. This Illuminator is really good. A little shine under my foundation. So we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. Get my 205 Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna use this to apply. So it looks a bit ghostly, but everybody calm down. It's gonna be okay, I promise, okay? Once this is all blended in, it will be just fine, okay? I'm just get my beauty blender and it's gonna blend that in. And then when I add my contour and everything else, it's gonna be all good in the hood, okay? So guys, I have applied my foundation. I'm going to move on to my MAC NC42 concealer, and I'm going to apply that first. And I'm using my 207 Real Techniques brush to apply this. I love this little concealer brush. It's so small, so you use a lot less product, and it goes exactly where you want the product to be placed. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal concealer. This is also a new item that I've been using. It's the Infallible concealer. I had to guess what color was going to match me. As I said, you're not allowed to get samples or testers anymore. So this is Cashmere, and it is the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. So I'm going to apply a bit of that. Going to get my HD concealer from NYX, and I'm going to use that as my contour. Okay, so we are going to blend this all off. I'm gonna go in with my lace baking powder, and I'm gonna set this face, babes. Okay, so I'm gonna just tap that in, so press it in really first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, which is a yellow powder, so it just tones down my face. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzing powder from Benefit. Gonna go back into the lace powder to carve out my jawline. Okay, I'm just gonna brush off that loose powder, that Sacha Buttercup. Okay, so face is beat. We are going to move on to the eyes. So I'm using a Precisely Brow Pencil from Benefit. Brush out my brows with the spoolie. So glad I got my pencil back. This is my fave brow pencil. If you guys have not used this brow pencil before, then check it out. It is so bomb. I love it. So I'm going to go in with the PLouise base and I'm going to prime my lid and I'm going to like neaten up my brows at the same time. Okay dolls, so I promised you guys this was going to be an easy, quick eyeshadow look. For my beginners, for my new dolls that are just starting out, this is going to be a nice brown smoky eye, but I'm not going to use a lot of shades. I'm going to keep it simple and cute. Good to be using the Fierce by Nature 3503 palette from Morphe. It's got some nice shades of brown in this palette. So I think I'm going to just use 2 different shades of brown and that should give me the desired look that I'm going for. And I'll probably add like a cute tear duct just to spice it up, but it's going to be quick and easy dolls. So let's get started. Eyelids already primed with my PLouise base. So I think I'm going to go in with Domination, which is this brown here. So I'm just like basically like filling in my eye socket. Yeah, my eye socket. And I'm making it more intense on the lid, in the lid area and in the crease. And then I'm just going to smoke it out. Blend that baby out. And the trick to this look is just blending dolls. Blending, blending, blending. Because as I said, I'm not using a lot of different shades, but I do want to create a smoky effect. So to get that smoky effect, you need to blend like your life depends on it. Can you see that? And I've just used 1 shade. I could actually get away with 1 shade for this look. I'm not even playing with you lot. I'm not playing. Like, this blends is smoked the F out. Look at it. Right, we are going to go in with 1 more shade and it's just to add some dimension to this look. I'm going to go in with OG, which is like a really nice soft brown. You'll see what that colour gives. So I just added Disrupt, which is a lighter brown. I just added that on top and just blended that in with the first brown that I added. So now I'm just going to add my wing and the look will be done. Yeah guys, so I've added my wing. You ain't got to do all that with the dramatics. You could just put a little line just on top of your lash line. So when you put your lashes on, there's a bit of darkness there, or don't put any at all. It just depends on you. But I like a dramatic wing, so that is what I am going for. Okay, Nicki Minaj. You know, this is how she always has her wing. She always has a thick wing. I've never seen her without a wing or with something that's more. But I admitted it because I like a wing to fly away as well. So I'd be a hypocrite if I judged. I'm gonna pop my lashes on and I'm using my Duo Lash Glue to do so. So I'm just gonna pop this right here. Okay, so we are gonna let that dry down. Then I'm gonna put my lashes on. In the meantime, I will just add some mascara to my lashes. I'm gonna add the same shadow that I added at the top. I'm gonna just add it at the bottom and that will even out the look. And then after that, I'll pop my lashes on and then I will be done. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Domination first. I'm gonna go in with Disrupt. This lip liner is so juicy. As soon as you tap it on your eye, all that blackness. I love it. So I'm just gonna smudge everything together. Okay, just drag that black down with the brown. Cohesiveness, that's what that's called, cohesiveness. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop these lashes on. Okay, dolls, so lashes are on, face is done. I told you 2 shades is all it took to achieve this look. Yes, I added liquid eyeliner for dramatics, but apart from that, that's all I used, and I'm so happy with this look. Okay guys, so I'm going to set my face, and I'm gonna go into my Revolution London bronzer palette and just gonna highlight. I'm gonna just use this gold in this palette. I love this gold, and because this look is so calm, it's just a calm brown smoky eye, I'm ODing with my highlight. Gonna add some blush. Should have added it before I highlighted really, but I forgot. I quite like mixing blush with highlight. I think it looks nice. Okay, so just gonna go and do the lips. So just added some brown lip liner, and I'm gonna go over that with my Lingerie gloss. So dolls, this is the final look. I told you it was going to be a piece of cake, and if you are new to this, you will be able to do this look because, as I said, I just used a couple of shades and I created this look. I hope you guys love how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next post.